Where has your family been most supportive in your career development?
So my parents have been supportive really in everything that I've done my whole life. I feel really lucky to have, parents who may not always understand. I took a much different career track than what they did. My mom is a teacher and my dad is a small business owner, and actually made me vow never to go into business. And now I've obviously broken that vow. Sorry. But they didn't really understand management consulting. They didn't know what it was, but they were very supportive in terms of, my going into that career, and then even switching careers. They couldn't understand why I would, after business school and all these investments in my time and career, I would go into education and take a pay cut. Why would you do that? But they were supportive because they knew that that was really what I wanted to do, and that was really my passion. And so I feel like they have always been supportive and have done what they can to help me understand that I can do whatever I want.
It's interesting that your mom was a teacher and your dad was a small business owner, and now you're working in entrepreneurial-driven education.
That is true.
How you think about that at all?
No, I never thought about that till you just said it, actually. But yeah, no, I think that my mom being a teacher really fueled my love of education. And most of my cousins are teachers. I have a lot of friends that I grew up with who were teachers, and so I feel like I was surrounded by teachers, and that really helped me understand both the wonderful aspects of teaching and the things that really needed to be improved. But it always made me have a real love of kids and of education. And so I think that indirectly kind of helped me understand that I wanted to be in education. I knew I couldn't be a teacher because I watched my mom, and she's much more of an extrovert than I am, and I'm actually, for as outgoing as I can be, I'm pretty introverted. And so to be kind of on stage and on all day would just drain me, and I would see her do that, and she loved it, but it wasn't really for me. So I think it was the combination of the business side and the passion that I had for education that really kind of brought me together. So yeah, I hadn't really thought about that.